Hello students and welcome back to a new lesson. This time we're going to celebrate Christmas and we're going to learn vocabulary related to Christmas. One of the activities that you will have to do this week is related also to this beautiful and wonderful celebration. So let's start by checking some of the vocabulary we want to learn, okay? So here we have number 1. So can you guess what this hand's drawing? It's pretty simple. Any ideas? I'm pretty sure you have an idea already. This is a 3, 2, 1. Easy peasy. It's a Christmas tree, right? It's a Christmas tree. You generally decorate it, you put a star on the top, How about this one? Let's check number 2. We're going to see the drawing. Wonderful, the best part of the Christmas for some people, for some of you probably. We have it in different colors, different shapes, depending on what's in it. A surprise. Generally these are the Christmas presents, right? This is a present or a gift, a present. Let's check number 3. I'm pretty sure you have an idea already because this is pretty simple as well. We don't do this too much here in Chile because it's summer and Christmas, but in the United States they do. And it's a very, very important part of our Christmas. It's the snowman! It's Mr. Snowman. It's a beautiful snowman, right? Sometimes you decorate with snowmans, and it's an icon in Christmas, of course it is. Number 4, easy peasy as well. Without him, Santa wouldn't get to your houses, right? So they push the sleds. They're Santa's helpers. Rudolph is the most famous one. So this is the Christmas or Santa's reindeers. Reindeers. That's how you pronounce it. Reindeer. Number 5. Okay, also really important, very related to the previous one. Do you have an idea? What is it? What is it? What's this? I'm pretty sure you already know what it is, right? It's got gifts on it, the presents. It's a sleigh, the sleigh, right? So reindeers push sleighs, right? Number 6. How about this one? They're delicious, yummy yummy, not too good to eat too much, lots of sugar. They're generally in in red and white. So easy peasy, it's a candy cane, right? Let's check number 7. Easy peasy, this is a... Well, generally in some countries, Santa puts all the presents inside this, and this is going to be part of your homework as well, so it's also very important to know the name. These are Christmas stockings, right? Christmas stockings. And finally, number 8. You put it on the top of the Christmas tree. It's one of the most important parts of your Christmas tree. and it's got a symbolism behind it, right? 3, 2, 1. This is the... Correct. It's the star. So let's check your homework. We already checked some of the vocabulary key to understand Christmas everywhere. And your homework this time is going to be to create your own Christmas stockings. You can decorate them the way you want, and you have to follow the steps, right? Step number 1, you draw your stocking on a red cardboard or red paper, right? You draw it. You draw the boot, right? Then you're going to cut it to give it the shape of a stocking. Then, very, very important, you're going to decorate your stocking. You can put a Christmas tree on it, or presents, or stars, or a sleigh, or reindeers, or buttons, color buttons, or stars like that one. Yes, you decorate it the way you want, and you can also add it a hanger. Yes, so you can hang it on your Christmas tree. Para poder ponerlo in your Christmas tree, right? Once you're ready, once you've finished, you're going to describe it to me. You're going to say, this is my stocking, this is my stocking, and you complete the writing. It's red, it's blue, it's yellow, blah, blah, blah. It's got a picture of Santa Claus. It's got a picture of a present. It's got a Christmas tree picture. Whatever you did, yes? And that's it, and you send it to me. And that's the end, guys. Remember, pueden armar sus botitas o sus Christmas stockings. Y la idea es que me las describan por escrito. Yo les dejé un espacio para llenar. Ya lo pueden hacer en un cuaderno, en una hojita aparte, donde ustedes deseen, right? The important thing is that you tell me the colors, the adornments, or the things that you use to decorate your Christmas stocking. And that's it. Y eso es todo. Thank you very, very, very much. See you next class. Hope you enjoy the homework. And in next class, it's going to be Christmas class. So we're going to enjoy it a lot as well. Bye-bye. Take care. See you.